Good tidings to you all, cruisers. Welcome and thank you for joining us on our daily cruise news updates. We have 5 stories ready to go as repairs finally arrive for one cruise line and road construction affects parking at the world's busiest cruise port. So let's get into these stories and more with news brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Celebrity Cruises has officially named its newest cruise ship the 140,000 gross ton Celebrity Ascent. She is the first cruise ship in the world to feature 2 godmothers and 2 captains. Their ceremony featured the breaking of a champagne bottle against the ship's hull. Following the naming ceremony, Celebrity Ascent will spend 2 days in Fort Lauderdale for a maiden 7-day voyage that sailed from December the 3rd, calling at Phillipsburg, St. Martin, St. Thomas and Puerto Plata. She will return to Fort Lauderdale on December the 10th. Carnival Cruise Line has announced changes to its Wi-Fi package pricing, with rates increasing from December the 8th. All package prices will increase for both pre-cruise and on-board purchases. The package split into 3 categories, beginning with a social plan at $12.75 per day is the least expensive plan, allowing guests to stay connected to family and friends back home via social media and apps. The value plan is the most popular Wi-Fi plan at $17 per day, which includes the social media as well as news, sports, weather, banking and others. And with $18.70 per day is the premium plan, with its fastest internet speeds and the most access for passengers who must stay connected while at sea. Port Canaveral has alerted cruise guests of road construction areas that are impacting how to reach parking for selected cruise terminals at the very busy port. Terminals 5, 6, 8 and 10 are the most impacted, and with busy holiday cruise coming up, all travellers to and from Port Canaveral should be allocating extra time for possible parking challenges. The best way that cruise passengers can avoid the worst of the traffic and possible parking difficulties is to arrange alternative transportation to the port. Port Canaveral is the world's busiest cruise port and continues to shatter passenger records. While this does mean more difficulties in the next few months, the new parking and smoother traffic flow will be very welcome once constructions are complete. Nassau Cruise Port has officially surpassed its all-time highest number of cruise passengers in a year, and it still has 1 month to go. The all-time record of annual cruise passengers was set in 2019 with an astonishing 3.8 million travellers. Now in just 11 months, that port has broken that record by 100,000 passengers. This is a great achievement for the renovated port that's put so much into ensuring an amazing experience for every guest. The port's goal of greeting 4.2 million passengers in 2023 means there's almost 350,000 travellers needed visiting through the remainder of this month. Carnival Panorama has successfully made her way up the Columbia River to Portland, where she will now undergo dry dock to fix her engine issues before she can return to service. Along the way, the ship, without a funnel, passed beneath 2 low bridges that she would not have been able to safely clear had her funnel had not been removed for the trip. After the engine repairs are complete, Carnival Panorama will make her way back down the Columbia River and return to Victoria to have her funnel reinstalled. The ship will then set sail full speed ahead for Long Beach to resume service, ready to welcome guests for a December 23rd departure. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul and all the news you need is over on cruisehive.com. If anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. Have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.